Kurdirari Inspector General Poriisi Abbas Byakagaba najangwe mbere y'akarorero hobwa hati agiteka hacibina cha National Unity Platform Ahabw'Okuhindura.
The tension points between the security forces and unfortunately almost always one of the political parties, specifically the National Unity Platform, is always about infringement of guidelines set regarding departures, venues and routes for rallies. And I want to point out here that in all the cases, these routes are agreed upon between the representatives of the parties and the Uganda Police.
IGP Byakagaba yashobora ngo ibikorwa bitashikire ebirimo kurahura Poriisi okushisha ebyiruka bya Poriisi kigemeserize Poriisi kwatabo bari kutekatekwaho kubatwara mu mbuga z'amateka. Nagira ngo cyo kureberaho ecyabiro muri Mbara aho abahagizi ba National Unity Platform hamwe n'abari ya team ya campaign bakwatirwe ombwire bwa campaign.
The activity that we carried out in Mbarara 7th of November 2025, this was a planned operation following investigations into the activities which I have earlier enumerated.
Oguku yabuzwa abwenja byo kwena bakostaman minji Byakagaba yabagaruka mu ngwamana garukosubwa ngo gashemeye kubana gakosubwa kandi kiriyo mu mateka.
When do you use what? The law, again, the law gives us leverage on how and when to use. Even in these proclamations, if you will take time to listen, it even says force will be used against you, including rifle fire. We hold arms legally, but how and when to use it, we are also guided. There can be misuse and that can be investigated. But if you are asking, are you supposed to have and use guns? The answer is yes. When and where and how is what is important. And it should follow this principle. The force must be proportionate. Using AI that is also not proper to confuse our public.
Aho no IGP yarjiraho kurabira ababesimbireho ombye utegeki ukora taramateka ga campaign.